Here I have LARK FreeMe X2 and let me show you how to go through the recovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me start by holding a power key. Let's choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards you have to use the following combination of keys: the power key right here and volume up. So let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds. Keep holding both keys. And release them as soon as the LARK logo pops up on the screen. Wait a few seconds, and as you can see, the device is showing you the recovery menu. You can navigate here by using both volume keys, so you can accomplish here an update from ADB. You may apply update from external storage. You can update from the external storage as well, and from the cache. You can wipe data factory reset, so accomplish the hard reset operation. You may wipe cache partition or recover system from backup. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose the first option, which is reboot system now, and press power key to confirm it. Now the device is restarting and rebooting. Let's just be patient and wait until the operation will be completed successfully. Excellent, as you can see now you can unlock the device and start using your tablet. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.